Hello. What was I gonna say? The weather is a bit nice. It's sunny, so I decided to record my vlog today. But yeah, it's been constantly raining for like the past couple of days, and yeah, I feel like it's gonna be like this for a few more days. So I'm cooking right now, and I'm gonna cook dal. Hello. My phone storage ran out, so I couldn't record everything, but I had food already. It was tasty. Yeah. Right now it's raining, but I have to go out for something. I need to get a mattress. I've been sleeping on this flat ass bed for 3 years, I think. The lighting is really good here. Why did I never film it here? Hey guys, I'm back home and I totally forgot to record, but I did get the mattress. It's right here, but I won't forget to record the process of setting up my bed. What the? But yeah, and I also thrifted 2 t-shirts for 100 rupees. Yeah, they were having a sale, so I got 2 for 400 rupees, which is 50 rupees each. Yeah, I'll show you like in a bit. Yeah, it's basic t-shirt. It's yeah, but it's cute. I'll show you. Wait. It's just a basic plain brown t-shirt. Here is the other one. This is another basic polo shirt. Oh my god, I love how it fits. Could be shorter. Yeah, but I think it's perfect. I love it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna rest for a bit and I'll see you guys in a bit. So I've put up the mattress. Yeah, it feels comfortable. Not as flat as before. I'm gonna put this up. This bed sheet. I thrifted it a while ago, but at first I was like a bit disgusted, but then I was like, almost all my clothes are thrifted, so you know, why not buy it? So yeah, let's put this up together. Hello, it's the next day and it's raining even today. I feel like I complain about the weather in every vlog. It's my hair wash day, so I'm gonna wash my hair. My hair feels very greasy. I've been using this anti-dandruff shampoo from True Frog. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of dandruff. I've tried every kind of shampoo like ketoconazole, rosemary oil, everything. It doesn't work. So hopefully this helps me get rid of my dandruff. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll see you guys after that. Okay. My hair is fully dried now, and I'm about to go to the post office. It's just nearby here. I'll take you guys home. Hey guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna put up curtain over my kitchen's window since sometimes I wanna keep it open and watch the sunset. And right now I can't do that because next to our window is a road. There's a road, so there's no privacy. So yeah, I'm gonna put up the curtain. But this is the curtain. It's the same one we have in our sitting room.
I hear it as a chime. I think I'm in love with the
Alright guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you guys next Saturday.
the thought of you, a love I don't wanna lose.
My best